Hey guys, welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas series. All right, I'm counting down from 12 all the way down to 1. All right, as far as little tips I'm giving you guys. All right, for wedding photography and photography in general. I'm Josiah Blizzard. In case you don't know me, realize I didn't introduce myself. And yeah, we talk about photography and wedding photography on this channel, and I have a ton of videos coming out in this series, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you're notified when new videos release. All right, so glad you're here. Today I'm giving you guys 11 gifts to give your clients. We love giving gifts to our clients. It's a great way to show that we're invested in them, to show that we care about them, and to stay top of mind when we're in the process with them and even after the process is done. So gifts are important for us anyway, in our experience, making sure they have a great time with us as their wedding photographers, and that they're gonna remember this experience with us. The first thing, all right, I have a list here, so if I'm looking down, it's because I didn't memorize all the things in this list. I'll be straight with you there. The first thing that we give our clients is actually this welcome pack, all right? This is our welcome pack. You've probably heard of welcome packs from other photographers. I'm going to show you exactly what is in our welcome pack, all right? These are the first couple of gifts here. So the first thing first, the big one we give is a bridal guide, all right? These bridal guides are really helpful in setting up the expectations for our clients, all right? There's a ton of stuff in here. A lot of photographers sell their bridal guides. I don't sell mine quite yet. I'm working on getting this transferred to Canva, so it's a little bit easier for everybody to design a bridal guide with a template in place. So that's my goal. If you want to be notified when that goes live, when you can purchase that, click the link in the description. There's a little email thing you can sign up for there, and I'll send you some info on that when it's ready. All right, so bridal guides are important. We love this. Our bridal guide is about 65 pages long. It's long, and it has everything in here from like the first look to, you know, more info on the first look, because we love when people do first looks. Just trying to get people to do them, why it's worth it. We have some stuff about the ceremony. We have stuff about engagement sessions, outfit inspiration, everything. So this is super helpful for people when they don't know how to plan a wedding. They don't know how to plan a wedding with photography in mind. This comes in handy, okay? So this just shows that we're valuing them, that we're helping educate them, that we're giving them information on how to make the most of their wedding day, especially make the most of their photographs. They just invested a lot of money in us, so we wanna make sure that they get the most out of that as well. So that's gift number one. In there as well, in the bridal guide, we also have, well, we have this little, this isn't really the gift I'm talking about, but we have a little welcome to the family thing. We want to make sure that we are friends with our clients, that we treat them like family. So this is just telling them we treat them like family, all right? All right, anyway, the gift I wanted to talk about was these luggage tags. So you can see Mr. and Mrs., and if we get a same-sex couple, it just says Mr. and Mr. or Mrs. and Mrs., all right? Steph actually makes these custom. These are just cut with like some vinyl and put on the top here, and then on the back, they have a space for you to write your address in like Sharpie or something along those lines. And these are just cool gifts because people we know will use them. The couples we've had use them for their honeymoon, put them on their luggage. They're going to celebrate. Another little thing that's going to remind them of us when they're on their honeymoon or when they're traveling 5 years down the road or for an anniversary trip. Cool, we've given this to them. It's something that a lot of people don't have, so we just thought we'd give them some luggage tags. It's cool. Cool little thing. Next thing on the list here is Bling Wipes, all right? Need to clean that ring before the engagement session. Need to clean that ring before the wedding day, and if you run out of time to get it cleaned by a jeweler, you can at least do it with these wipes. We get a pack of these on Amazon. I'll link them below. These are cool. We give 2 per pack, I believe. So that's the third gift we give in this welcome pack. And the last thing we give in this welcome pack is a tie clip. Let's see if it focuses, and instructions on how to fold a pocket square. We want to make sure we're including a groom in some way in these packages and not just gearing towards the bride. And so we include a little tie clip in here. A lot of guys don't have tie clips. I got my first tie clip only a couple years ago, and yeah, pretty handy to have this and to learn how to fold a pocket square. But this is what we have to purchase. I actually hand drew this and we just printed a whole bunch of them. So yeah, pretty helpful to have all of those items. Those are the first 4 gifts. Those are what come in our welcome pack, all right? Another thing that you can give is a pre-wedding gift. We give some like sweet treats. We have a little bit of a sweet tooth. And so we actually give, a couple of weeks before the wedding day, we're giving them some gourmet popcorn and a little note that says, hey, you know, don't talk about the wedding, have a movie night, sit on the couch, relax, take some time off from whatever it is your busy lives are filled with, and enjoy a movie, eat some gourmet popcorn, and just have a night in. So we're giving them this gourmet popcorn. It's delicious, by the way. We tested it ourselves, all right? And we get this from Funky Chunky, all right? I've linked in the description for you guys to check out Funky Chunky. Their stuff is delicious, and it's a great little gift because we can just order right from them and have it shipped directly to our client as a gift. So check those out. It's a cool little thing, all right? And the other thing too, if you don't want to send like gourmet popcorn or something, you can always find out what their like go-to date night is, what their go-to restaurant is or something like that, and get them a gift card for that restaurant. And that'll go a long way as well to show that, one, you were listening to them, that you are actually like investing in their relationship together and getting them something they like, and to tell them to go out and have a night out. Don't worry about talking about the wedding. Actually, if you can, tell them not to talk about the wedding and just reconnect with each other. So that's a cool thing. We used to give movie tickets in the past as well before the pandemic, but going forward, we're just gonna keep sending some popcorn. Number 7, we give out anniversary gifts through a site called Greetabl. Greetabl is a cool little site here where you can actually send them a little box, and inside that box is some sweet treats or a candle or some random, there's a whole bunch of items to choose from. But on the box is printed like your note to them and some photos that you can choose. So we include their wedding photos and a little note to them. That's something like, cue the confetti, you made it through 1 year of marriage or something like that, congratulations. And we send an anniversary gift because we want to stay top of mind with them. We want them to remember us. And it's been 1 year since we shot their wedding and we're still thinking about them. We're sending them an anniversary gift, we're staying top of mind, and they're probably posting this on Instagram. So it's a great way for us to show that we still care and to keep that client experience moving 1 year after we shot their wedding, all right? So that's why we send it. We haven't been paid by them probably in an entire year, and we're still thinking of them and still continuing this experience. Greetabl, it's a great little site, all right? Check it out in the link below. The next thing we give is a birthday card for each of the people, each couple, each person in the couple. We give a birthday card, all right? So we made our own birthday cards. This one we send out to the brides. We have one that's like Casablanca themed for the guys, and so we send those out. A little handwritten note on the back here, and ours are handmade because we just like wanted to do that. But you can order whatever cards you want. But birthday cards are cool because again, it shows that you're thinking of them. Sometimes it's the smallest gifts, the smallest things that make the biggest impact. So when we're sending birthday cards, like I don't get birthday cards from some of my friends, which is fine. I don't necessarily value birthday cards for myself, but I don't get birthday cards from my friends. But the ones that do send me birthday cards, I know that they care about us. I know that they're thinking about us. And so it's cool when your photographers are sending you birthday cards. Just imagine how valued your clients feel when you send that to them. So it's a really, really easy thing to do. Order a pack of birthday cards, write a handwritten note, send it off, and it's a cool way to make a great impact in this relationship, in this experience with you and your clients. The next item we give is Christmas gifts or holiday gifts, all right? So this year, if you can't see it, but right out of frame here is 2 full boxes. You know what? Here we go. All right. There's 2 full boxes filled with these. All right. Inside this is a blanket. We send blankets out for Christmas every single year. There's like 33 blankets sitting over here that we're sending out to our clients. Again, we're showing that we care for them. We're showing that we are still thinking about them even 1 year later. We send these Christmas gifts out only to weddings that we shot in that calendar year. So right now when I'm recording this, it's 2021, end of 2021, all right? These are only going out to brides and grooms who got photographed in 2021. If your wedding was 2020, you got your Christmas gift at the end of 2020, all right? So we don't send Christmas gifts out to every couple we've ever shot, only to those we photographed weddings for that calendar year. So Christmas gifts are great because again, we're staying top of mind. We're thinking about them around the holidays. It's a random, unexpected gift that who gets a Christmas gift from their photographer? We're separating ourselves from the competition. We're saying, hey, this experience isn't done with us yet. It's not done yet. We're still going. We're still going. Guess who they're going to talk to? They're going to tell their friends about us. They're going to post on Instagram. It's just a fun thing. It's a fun little packaging. We got these packages from like Sticker Mule. Again, we designed them ourselves. It's just some text with like our logo on it. Really, really easy to do. Again, movie themed. Everything we do is kind of like movie themed too, so it's sticking with our brand. Stuff like this goes a long way in the experience, okay? And there's a reason that we don't ever have to pay for marketing. Our clients talk us up so much because our experience that we're offering is so fun and so expansive that it begins a year and a half or 2 years before we photograph their wedding, and it ends a year after we photograph their wedding. It goes on for a really long time, and it's a lot of fun for us to see them get these packages and see them post on Instagram and just to see how thankful they are. So it's really cool. It's really cool. So Christmas gifts, holiday gifts are a great idea, great addition to your gift giving in the holidays for your clients. Next thing we send out is a thank you card with a 4x6 print just a couple of days after their wedding. Chances are they're on their honeymoon, so maybe we send this about a week after their wedding. But we just send like a quick thank you card that says like, hey, thanks for trusting us with your photos. We had a great day with you guys. So happy for you both. Can't wait to show you all the images. Here's a little sneak peek. And it's a print, it's a tangible print. Hopefully this is warming them up to purchase canvases or purchase albums, things like that. They're holding a tangible print in their hands. You can get like a nice printer in your office, in your studio, that prints solid 4x6 prints on some photo paper, and you can just insert that into a card and send it off. Again, nice little touch. It's not too difficult. And again, it's the little things that make the biggest impact sometimes. So little thank you card after the wedding is great. And the last thing I have on this list is something that is really, really difficult to do, but is really cool if you can pull it off. And that is a champagne package, all right? A champagne kind of like gift set, all right? Maybe a bottle of champagne and 2 champagne flutes. And if you can time it to be delivered when their gallery is being delivered, if you can keep an eye on like when the shipment is being dropped off on that day, then you can deliver their gallery right after you see the notification that the champagne package has been dropped off. And it's cool when you can say like, hey, pop open a bottle of bubbly because your wedding photos, your wedding gallery is here. Check your email. You know, like that's a cool thing. We know that our friends James and Jess used to do that. I don't know if they still do it or not, but how cool is that? So that's something that we haven't done, but it's something that I think we want to try in the future. It takes a little bit of logistical planning and things like that to do. It's a little bit hard, but I think it would be really cool to do. So we know people who are doing that, and it's pretty successful for them. But what a fun way to unveil a gallery to somebody with some champagne like at their door and their gallery reveal. So those are my gifts, guys. Those are the gifts that I recommend that you give to your clients. If you have any gifts that you're already giving your clients that I didn't mention, let me know in the comments below. I would love to know what you're giving to your clients, what you're gifting to them. I think gifting goes a long way in the experience and is a really helpful way to market yourself, to create lifelong fans, to create your tribe, to create your client base that's going to be like your walking billboards. Again, we don't ever pay for marketing. Our clients do all the work for us because we're giving them an amazing experience and we're showing that we care, that we value them as people, and we're just investing time and some money into them and showing that we love them, all right? So that's it. That's all I got for you today. Hope this was helpful. Hit that like button if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button and that bell in case you want to be notified for future videos coming out. Again, there's a video coming out for the 12 days of Christmas every day from day 12 all the way down to day 1. This was day 2, technically day 11, all right? So 11 gifts to give your clients. So we have a whole more we have like 9 or 10 days left in this series. So I hope you stick around. I'll see you tomorrow for the next video. Take care.